Children, today we will learn our chapter number 1, Understanding Changes. Last topic in this chapter is calendar. So we will learn this calendar today. Do you know what is a calendar? Have you seen a calendar? Yes, we all know what is a calendar and we all have seen calendar. Everyone's home there will be a calendar because that's a very useful thing. Why calendar is a very important thing in our home? Because to remember what are the important events, occasions in our home, we really need a calendar. By looking at this calendar only we can understand when which event is going to happen. For example, your birthday or that is a very important event for you. By looking at the calendar we can understand when your birthday will come and what is the day. All these things we can understand. Or marriage anniversaries of your parents, that you can understand. If you want to give them a gift, if you want to give them a card, you can understand which this day my parents wedding anniversary is coming. Or many important festivals, every year we are eagerly your children or you are eagerly waiting for the these festivals like Diwali or Christmas, Eid. All these festivals you are eagerly waiting for because all these your children or you enjoy the festivals. So or in our school also these national festivals like Independence Day, Teachers Day, all these things you will see in a calendar. You will go and check when which day it is coming. You will check all these things, isn't it? So calendar is a very important thing in our life. To remember events and occasions, we should always maintain a calendar. And if there is a question like this in your book, if there is a question like this, what is the importance of a calendar, then you can say to remember events and occasions, we should always maintain a calendar. That is the importance of a calendar. Or we meet with the relatives on family functions and celebrate functions like marriage, birthday and festivals. All these things we when which festival is which date which festival is coming, when is marriage anniversary, when is anyone's birthday, that all these things we need a calendar. We celebrate our national events. Which are the national events? National events are all nation celebrate, that is national events. Okay, that is like Independence Day, Republic Day, or other festivals such as Eid ul Fitr, Christmas, Holi, Diwali. Together all these things we celebrate together. We also celebrate various school events like a school annual function or sports day, annual day, all these things happening. Or so all last year, not last year, this we had our last this annual function on December. Do you remember that? So all these things we remember, and we need a calendar for this to remember which month was our last annual function. We can understand that was in December. Okay, so this is the importance of calendar. And why should we maintain our calendar? Because to remember events and occasions. Or today you have to do page number 12, exercise 2, long answers. We have done all the short answers in the copy, and now today we have to do this question number, page number 12, exercise 2, long answer questions. What were the traditions followed in our previous society? We have done D. Question number D. Today we have to do D and E. First we will check the answer of how the school and neighborhood have changed over time. Answer in page number 7. changes in neighborhood and school. Last paragraph. This is last paragraph. This one is the last paragraph. As time passes, an old building of a hospital. This is answer of long answer question D. How the school and neighborhood have changed over time. School और neighborhood कैसे changes हुआ, स्कूल में neighborhood में कैसे changes होता है. Answer is in page number 7, last paragraph. As time passes, an old building of a hospital changes into a new one, and in the place of one vegetable seller, you may see, cut U and write V. We may see more vegetable sellers on the roadside. One more time I will explain. This is a question in that you have to write two answers, because how changes happened in school and how changes happened in neighborhood. In first we are explaining neighborhood. As time passes, an old building of a hospital changes into a new one, and in the place of one vegetable seller, we may see more vegetable sellers on the roadside. What is the meaning of this? जो टाइम पास होता है तब क्या हो जाता है, ओल्ड बिल्डिंग ऑफ हॉस्पिटल, आपका नेबरहुड में कोई ओल्ड बिल्डिंग था हॉस्पिटल का, वो चेंजेस होके न्यू बन सकता है. एंड इन द प्लेस ऑफ वन वेजिटेबल सेलर बैठा था, उस जगह पे यू मे सी मोर वेजिटेबल सेलर्स ऑन द रोड साइड. ओके, आपको एक वेजिटेबल सेलर बैठा था, उस जगह आप क्या देख सकते हैं, आपको बहुत और वेजिटेबल सेलर्स को रोड पे दिख सकता है. ये सब चेंजेस है नेबरहुड में हो सकता है. ये क्वेश्चन का मतलब क्या है, व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. नेबरहुड में और स्कूल में क्या चेंजेस हो सकता है. नेबरहुड एज टाइम पासेस, टाइम के साथ साथ एक ओल्ड बिल्डिंग, हॉस्पिटल का एक ओल्ड बिल्डिंग न्यू वन में बदल सकता है. एंड इन द प्लेस ऑफ वन वेजिटेबल सेलर के प्लेस पे यू मे सी, यू कट करके लिखो, वी मे सी, हमें क्या दिख सकता है, बहुत और वेजिटेबल सेलर्स को रोड साइड पे देख सकता है. ठीक है, दिस इज़ द चेंजेस इन अ नेबरहुड. नाउ स्कूल in this page, this is same answer. Okay, how the school and neighborhood changed over time का आंसर ही है ये भी. in the school में क्या चेंज हो सकता है, we can see that every year a new student is admitted in our class. हमारा क्लास में न्यू स्टूडेंट आ सकता है. एवरी ईयर, हर साल वी मेक न्यू फ्रेंड्स. अभी आप 2 में से 3 में चले गए, अब 2B now you reach from class 2 to 3, isn't it? This year you have shuffled, means 2B children, half of the 2B children have gone to 3A और half in 3B, और 2A में से half gone to 3A, 3B, half sitting in 3A only. सारा बच्चे मिक्स कर दिया दोनों क्लास के. तो दिस ईयर समवन ऑफ यू मे गेट न्यू फ्रेंड्स. इस बार बहुत बच्चे हैं, उनका फ्रेंडशिप भी बदलेगा, क्योंकि आपका फ्रेंड जो क्लास 2B में था वो 3A में गया होंगे. जो 2A में आपका फ्रेंड कोई भी फ्रेंडशिप होता, वो 3B में चला गया होगा. तो आप दूसरे क्लास में हैं, तो फिर आपको न्यू फ्रेंड मिल जाएगा, आप न्यू फ्रेंडशिप होगा. isn't it? ये है एक चेंजेस स्कूल में. Thus change happens in the neighborhood and in the school. जो now I told the answer of this question, how the school and neighborhood change over time. First you have to write, as time passes, an old building of a hospital changes into a new one, and in the place of one vegetable seller, you may see more vegetable sellers on the roadside. Its answer is not completed. Its answer is in this page also, page number 8 also. Which paragraph? First paragraph. In the school, we can see that every year a new student is admitted in our class. Every year we make new friends. Thus, change happens in both neighborhood and in the school. This is the answer of how the school and neighborhood changes over time. Now, next question. Where is the question? Question number E. How did early man travel from one place to another? अर्ली मैन कैसे ट्रैवल करते थे एक प्लेस में से दूसरे प्लेस में? हाउ डिड अर्ली मैन ट्रैवल फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर? अर्ली मैन हाउ ट्रैवल फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर, एक जगह से दूसरे जगह कैसे ट्रैवल करते थे अर्ली मैन, जो पुराने ज़माने के लोग. आंसर इज इन पेज नंबर 8, third paragraph. Page number 8, third paragraph. The early men were used to travel on foot and carry loads on their head. कैसे पुराने ज़माने के लोग कैसे एरोप्लेन में जाते थे? नहीं ना. How they were going? How they were used to go? They used to travel on foot. Foot means पैदल जाता था, और carry loads on their head, where they used carried their loads on their head. हेड पे, सर पे रखता था. ओके. विद द डिस्कवरी ऑफ व्हील्स जब डिस्कवर्ड हुआ, व्हील्स को लोगों ने बनाने शुरू किया, बुलक कार्ट मेड ट्रैवलिंग ईजियर from one place to another. Then early men used bullock carts, जो animals cart, they used to use. They used to move from one place to another place. Question was, how did early man travel from one place to another? Answer, early men were used to travel on foot and carry loads on their head. हेड पे लॉर्ड्स कैरी करता था. व्हील्स का डिस्कवरी के बाद बुलक कार्ट मेड ट्रैवलिंग ईजियर फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. बुलक कार्ट इज अ vehicle carried by animal bullocks that made traveling easier from one place to another. Still, that bullock cart is also not, so they cannot go in a they have to go to a place that is very far from their place, and they have to go there. Then that will not be so easy, and our bullock cart cannot take them so fast to that place. So bullock cart was also not a that was also very slow means of transport. But nowadays we have road transport, air transport, rail transport, water transport, and very easily we can go from one place to another. Okay, so this answer, how did early men travel from one place to another? Answer, early men were used to travel on foot and carry loads on their head. With the discovery of wheels, bullock cart made traveling easier from one place to another. So these two question answers you have to do in copy. This is for the day. Thank you.